can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Bitcoin can still hit $100,000 no matter who wins US election. The prospective favors regulation and Bitcoin hedge status means that Bitcoin can weather any election result and even reach $100,000. Bitcoin speculators send $4 billion to exchanges as Bitcoin price loses $70,000. Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. I believe the biggest bull trap that Bitcoin is printing is what we're currently living right now. Bitcoin trading at $69,000. I don't think we're going to be seeing new all-time highs. I have a strong belief that Bitcoin is currently going through a distribution pattern, and right now Bitcoin is currently at an uptrust after distribution. We're talking about what that means for Bitcoin in the coming days and coming weeks. Right now there's great in the cryptocurrency market. Right now market participants are excited. Where in the month of November, we had a wonderful 10% move in the price of Bitcoin in the month of October. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. You can follow me on Twitter for more updates at Mr. Legend Crypto. Join the Telegram for latest crypto news and price prediction. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin trades around $69,000. Bitcoin has been ranging for the last 9 months. Bitcoin got to as high as $73,900 in March of 2024. Since then, Bitcoin has dumped Goblin Town. We've seen Bitcoin get to that $49,000 level, and then right now, Bitcoin is back to new all-time highs. The last 9 months has been brutal. There's been a lot of fear in the market. There's been a lot of greed in the market. If you close your eyes and open your eyes, you would have seen Bitcoin trading exactly where it was trading way back in March of 2024, where there was extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. But right now, guys, there's no that excitement like we saw back in March in the market. Bitcoin is trading at previous all-time highs at $69,000. Market participants, yes, are in greed, but sentiment in the market is down. All coins are down. We're seeing huge liquidation. This rally has been driven by leverage. A lot of market participants have been betting on leverage that Bitcoin price will go up. So a little fluctuation in price is sending the market down to Goblin Town. If you take a look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market, the last 24 hours have seen more than 74,000 traders get liquidated. Most of those liquidations is coming from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Traders are betting that the price will continue going up, and what has happened for Bitcoin after we saw it rally back to as high as $73,700, we have seen Bitcoin pull back. That pullback has just been a tiny 6.8% pullback, but that pullback has wiped out more than $500 million in leverage bets. Guys, right now is a very crucial time for Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin looks as if it's going through the final stages of a distribution pattern. We have seen the buying climax. This buying climax came back way back in March, and that's when we saw Bitcoin getting first to $73,000. There was irrational exuberance in the market. Most altcoins were pumping right there. Meme coins were pumping. March was a very awesome time in the market. That was our buying climax. And buying climax is the time during which there's an increase in volume and price spread. The force of buying reaches a climax with heavier audience buying by the public. So the last 9 months, we have seen Bitcoin going through automatic reaction, secondary test, seed of doubt, uptrust after reaction. And guys, I believe Bitcoin is now in the uptrust after distribution part. Bitcoin is a distribution. The uptrust after distribution is a distributional counterpart to Spring and the terminal shakeout in accumulation. It occurs in the later stages of a trading range and provides a definitive test of new demand after breakout above trading resistance. Analog to Spring and shakeout, an uptrust after distribution is no required structural element. But right now, I believe that's what Bitcoin is doing. We've seen Bitcoin break out of this trend, and we've seen Bitcoin run back into that trading range. We saw Bitcoin break out of the trading range. A lot of people got excited, long in the market. We're going to the moon, Valhalla. We're seeing news articles print news stories like Bitcoin can still hit $100,000 no matter who wins the US election. And guys, anytime you start seeing certainty in news report, remember the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. The election is going to be a pivotal point. No doubt market participants are going to get excited no matter who wins, no matter who loses. But guys, remember, price is the most important thing. The narrative is not important. The narrative is following the price, not the price following the narrative. At some point in time in the nearest future, we're going to see Bitcoin start that huge dump to gobbling town. If you take a look at this distribution pattern, after distribution, that's the last time to sell. Then we'll start a big decline that will take us back to gobbling town. And on this channel, we're of the belief, and I'm of the belief, that we are dumping back to gobbling town, that Bitcoin is already in a bear market. The top came for Bitcoin way back in March of 2024. Right now, Bitcoin is going for a wave C that might take us below $15,500. Bitcoin is not in a bull market. That is a very wrong belief, and that's what major market participants believe right now, that Bitcoin is in a bull market. I believe Bitcoin is already in a bear market. Yes, Bitcoin has risen 14% over the last 1 month. The last 1 year has seen an 100% increase in the price of Bitcoin. Meme coins have been pumping, guys. If you have been in the crypto market for a very long time, meme coin pumping just signals the end of a bull market. Meme coins pumping tells you that, you know what, market participants are already confident right now. But this cycle looks to be different. A lot of people are calling the meme coin super cycle. And of the opinion, that is not so. This time it's not different. Right now, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. Greed has always been a good time to sell for some sweet profit. I don't think this time will be different. Coupled with the fact, guys, that we are seeing a bearish divergence on the RSI for Bitcoin. So if you take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame, you will see that we've gotten to new highs in price, but the RSI is still down in gobbling town. The RSI didn't even get to the 60. It didn't get to the 70 region. Just now it's at 59.09. If you take a look at Bitcoin's valuation against gold, things will get more clear there. Bitcoin valuation against gold shows us that Bitcoin has not gotten to new all-time highs. This river rally we are seeing that's taking Bitcoin to as high as $73,000 is just a bear market rally. It's just the biggest bull trap we've seen. A bull trap is a rally that's going to deceive a lot of buyers to buy, thinking we're going to continue going to higher prices, but the market will trap them, as the market is going to see a substantial decline in price. This is exactly what I believe Bitcoin will be doing in the coming days and the coming weeks. I believe we're going to see a huge dump to gobbling town when this rally is over. When will the rally be over? My best guess is after the election on the 7th, on the 8th. But I believe it will be advisable to sell at the end of the year and not look back. 2025 is going to be a very bloody year, guys. Just look at this. These coins over the last 1 year, Bong, SPX, Pepe, Mog, Radium, have all gone crazily over the last 1 year. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has rallied 100%, but we have seen these all coins outperform. Somebody will say we have already seen alt season. But most market participants are still stuck on last cycle. They're still expecting the coins we saw last cycle to still pump, and that's why you'll be hearing talks of alt season. You'll be hearing talks of the pump is coming. Guys, I believe we're in the final stages of the pump. November is going to be a very pivotal month for the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently sits around $69,000. Bitcoin dominance around 60.17%. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin dominance taking a hit over the next few weeks, and that hit in Bitcoin dominance might lead to the final rally in the altcoin market. One thing is for sure, Bitcoin is going to make a decision this week. One thing is for sure, the bulls or the bears are going to win. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you're bullish on Bitcoin, do you think $100,000 is possible regardless of who will win the election? I believe Bitcoin is going down to gobbling town. If you're with me, how low do you think Bitcoin will dump in the coming days and the coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.